So I'm starting off with this shade right here. So I'm just putting this as my transition shade, and I am also flicking it out because I'm not going to do a winged liner, as you can see on this eye. So I really do want that little wing as well, just to lift up my eye, especially if you have hooded eyes or eyes that go down. And I'm picking up freckles, and I'm just trying to make this a little bit more intense. Go back to the first brush that you used and blend it a little bit more subtle and seamless. You guys, I'm so excited for summer. I can actually hear birds chirping outside my window right now, and it just makes me so happy. Super, super happy. Then I'm picking up Cloud 9 on a smaller brush to define the outer corner, and I'm just going to flick it out again. But then I'm going back to the first brush to just blend it out. For the yellow, I'm taking Fashion Rebel Duo, but before that I want to cut my crease a little bit, and I'm just going to apply some concealer onto my lid. I don't want my look to be this harsh and so precise. Like most of my looks, I do want them to be a little bit more blown out, if that makes sense. So I'm going to blend the outer corners just a little bit. So something like so. So next I'm just going to apply some eyeliner, and this one is Bourjois 16 Hour 1 liquid 1. And I'm just going to apply a very thin line, and I'm not going to wing it out, just so that there is something between my false lashes and also my natural lashes, so that there isn't a gap. And I'm also going to apply some black Khol into my waterline. This one is Catrice. Then I went back into the darkest shadow that I applied for my outer corner, and I'm just going to put it onto my lower lash line. And then to blend out, I'm just going to pick up freckles again. And obviously, just to finish off the look, I'm just going to apply my false lashes, and these ones are by Eylure, however you want to pronounce these, and these ones are in the style Baroque. I'm just going to apply some concealer and finish my face makeup. completely forgot the finish of the look. I'm just going to apply some lipstick and lip liner. Keep inside the lines, Anna. Like to go in with a lipstick or any lip product just to blend out my lip liner, because I don't want my lip liner to be seen, if you know what I'm talking about. So voila. So that is it for today's look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. If you did enjoy this, please do not forget to hit that thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to get notified any new videos from moi. Bye!